Quotes about life. A time will come in your life when some people will regret why they treated you wrong. Believe that it will definitely come. If you are humble, you can learn the secrets of life fast. If you are full of pride, only suffering can be your teacher. Forgive people in your life, even those who are not sorry for their actions. Holding on to anger only hurts you, not them. Life is like a coin. Player and pain are two sides. Only one side is visible at a time. But remember, other side is also waiting for its turn. Your hardest times often lead to the greatest moments of your life. Keep going. Tough situations build strong people in the end. Life begins at the end of your comfort zone. The life which a believer is required to live on earth is from the beginning to end a life of patience. The life that you are living now is also a dream of millions. So always be satisfied with your life and be happy in every moment of life. Life is a journey with problems to solve and lessons to learn, but most of all experiences to enjoy. In life, every day starts with expectations but ends with an experience. Learn to live life without worries because Allah will take care of everything. Trust and just have faith. In life, you are going to make many mistakes. So try not to worry too much about what you did wrong and focus more on valuing the lessons instead. Life is not about being rich, being popular, being highly educated or being perfect. It's about being humble, real and kind. Life always plays opposite of expectations. In life, what you really want will never come easy.